And I dey see am well. And I clear finish. Yeah. Continue. Please guys, share this video. Mina share. Ya mama ta momo with ozuo. On rating yegele zuo. Wata make bugwa the real truth of the matter. Why ya joge ya fianya bugwa afianya gbebe na jina. Afianya gbe because we no fianya gbe when we ya fianya gbe. Ege eze miteme ku orun because ye mege miteme ku arun nyelege nania. Ege no na so duhu ona so bobo ne mi wala o mege miteme ku arun orun nania e ba ta we kenye ma vie we wa ge gangi no lele hiana e gangi no lele hiana vi atia ege aganoma bia no wi UK aganoma bia eni ogiere aduwa me na ni tamu wa ya kinya ya fe ke no respect ya kuwa ya fe kugbe because e gango pen ya fe hin ya kuwa bane wa open la video ye destiny me you guys know what I can do ya ruga me ya frustrated destiny why frustrated ene o maka me when itana e gangi ya oni na ganoma bia no re e UK vi atia okpaika vi atia ege e brother ge no wi yan atiti edion titi no take wa tene agbon be social media he no wa ruo o ke ni ko iwa pa muwe ya iyan kwa muwe ya ti e bona titi odame nu wa social media presenter ogele dame nu wa ma bege left wa to de miserable atiti no ti agun awuwebu o wa mu enwa ni bu na titi yan wa ya muwe ya ti e bonu yan ya muwe nu na ge uti wi yan ja muwe ya mu e bogbo titi whatever ni wazuo ge gangi yania e gangi money wazuo e gangi ni mabie gangi ni viviere akoko e gangi ekia na enwina e we no gmi e gangi ni agwalele hia e gangi no zuo e gangi ozuo e gangi wo bi e gangi I want to join these people he yana iware ni na go join ya e gangi no kulo eyan wa lele wa yan ya fe we wa mi ave di gang me no avie lele why he me ma send wa I said nobody he ma send wa why fi wa avie lele say no well you know say na this problem I go make me wear instantly you understand me just look at una now life is dey miserable workless miserable look at what that one they talk or again ye na do aladan we kwejere again we na ladan na we wala I am Monica ne you understand then why ya fe even ija oni we tinya ye kinekun wa we Eddie Murphy we ya we or first person no ka open the social media president who open oni no mo ekoge sister no here bio me blacky obie to obie wasi blacky eke stelesi ko ma khovi weni no di agboni because we na bie blacky ya saga we gbe my dear sister ya mo ekoni una bie blacky ya saga we your full generation sagara you know what I can do me ya saga we me irewana itota gedege I'm looking you guys it's not that I don't know what I'm doing I know what I'm doing. I know it. You understand? Iwa howa. Why a gangian, they miserable, workless, useless gang. Why the laugh wana? I am Monica ne. Me Monica ne. Fat me. Ijeritali. Viga eme Monica. Me di mofi de. Imeme stelesi de ebe Monica ga okay asha work ba do lati yan we nyoje Monica ya grow nyoje we ya Monica you understand when they go address when no wear when no me body oto when they go address when it be ya fe o here webu when ya without no fucking no money now you want say you can't make person grow for seriously you know I see person where you say you make her grow Monica too beautiful now AJ social media presenter AJ so AJ now Monica pay you know Ijo, we on Monica ya grow, we not shock you, really, or shock you, break my brain. We not shock you, we welcome to rubbish. My camera, Maggie block you, make me grow. Stay there, okay? On a shock even. Then not shock even. On a shock even. Isha! Oh, what money I'm gonna tabu wage to wazu. What me get to wazu? What me? Oni negwa dress very you no zua wagmo. Zua my dear sister. Who will not me to zua. Just look at the way Igbo people they describe your kwekus. They are describing it. Igbo people that live in that your village. If you that's me, I call one Igbo guy that know you, he know Eddie Murphy, he know a nogie. When a nogie, ya mwe one room before a government ticket do mwe full house in a nogie na. Everything there from my pan. You guys know what I can do. Why? Mwe fake news ya de social media. He now face you he away the real truth of the matter ya face you. Why truth in the court? I win you. Take me to court. I go win you. E Deutschland di maya feje. E Deutschland di maje. Me wa re campi. E campi len le level. Me maya mwe waru move campi. Never. Gavi best side in egbe ma ho. Wa ge gangiana. E gangiye ve kone ne gangine. Sister, when oro when take away me we. When o ware Spain oro. Ye gbuele ikata ma we sister ke nu kuriera. Ye gbuele Itama wele sister eke lukuri na riegwele viga make a video na we me na me thank Monica Bolo for forgiving me, for taking me as a daughter, for taking me join body. You know, you come out, you join me to tell Monica these people was even the bloggers that take that video for YouTube channel. As they put my picture, they put Monica picture, they put you join there. You understand? But I can't pray one prayer. I say, God, don't come and use me and turn to Mugu for where the many people did. My dear sister, I told you, run for your head. Muwe le yegbe rubbish inare or we or where the repercussion that is coming from inside, you will be there picking it. My dear, you will pick it, you will tire. You will pick it, you will tire, because the whole world have already know you guys as a muggle. The whole world don't know na so na be mumu. May you look what is that they call not what we can for no ya can't take condom not that or we can Atiti na you had a thought to when we boo when we na with me more bo. Ayela like him. Ogun him. Isa go him. Me like him. Atiti, where we regulating, you have to go look the inner heart of me. Me, Avielele. I pass a ball. Which a ball you need? I pass some. You hear me? But if you're planning on time, what is it? Wa get born we ya so back on it. You went wa ne what it attitude your boy rubbish inare. Attitude your boy rubbish inare because wa ya fair. Even wa ya kun I will be in my room there. Anything I want to see, I will see it. Anything. What I want to see with my hair, I'll make sure say I see who na help. Who na help? What ya fair wa me. You guys are sick. Yes. Only know when you're here, now you make Monica do this. Where? Mete we to 3,000 euro because we are so bobby. Remain when I do saga mete we 3,000 euro. We are yata now is 1,700. God forbid. I can never be doing work of 3,000 euro at the end. I can't carry my destiny backward. Go to collect 1,700. Am I stupid? Am I crazy? My dear, 3,000 euro can give me thousands of euros. If I leave 3,000 euro job, I'll make sure I'll go find work where go past thousands, 5,000, 20,000 of euro. Not going backward. It's at 3,000 euro. Una do I go backward to how much? To how much? 1,700. My dear wife, I know you guys. Me on why all the presenters no represent never YouTube channel or present never Facebook in why affair e Germany na e maje ija to talk of it na e law no wasu no ve Germany e Monique ve ma question de law e Monique I wa gbenene bene yan gbenene bene yan sign tie before the rest people will come know the law e Monique or the head of the law is a ruwajia. Eruwa de miserable. Even if do you know how many hours if used to do? He go come out. You know where my love. He go come out around 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh ya la wa vetiri. 3. Do you know how many hours is that? But if I collect 1,700, oh sister, no, we collect 1,700 from 3,000 to 1,700. You don't even know how many hours you are working. You don't know when you take the wake up for sleep, when you take the reach your work. Is that life? My dear, there's nothing where presenter for Germany go carry convo na go they believe. Una hear me? You can see thousands of viewers, so obviously I don't care. I will be yes, see only one view, but if I don't talk with I want talk finish, alagale man. Fuck you, fuck your full generation, concern me. I'm not there. If you want to fight me, take me to court. I have a policeman husband. I'll be dating my mom over 5 years now. Now you want to stop her? Now I'll tell you, say, that policeman not be Kokobiri because according to the story, wanna take find me for saga. Una say my husband and Kokobiri, I was watching. I'm looking. I de look na ke no mwe koke ya me wa. If your boka ya ge destiny wa we ka wa biene we ne selesi no una bio me black ya saga we my sister. Ya saga we gbo sisi no wa vio keve Nigeria ni memo sisi. Ayela like ye boy he memo sisi sisi no wa mu keve Nigeria na aya gbina fo we bona. E social media na ma ya gbina fo. Wa men we deji. E mi no kwa wa deji. Okidikpo what day she? Oh wait today now I don't see you now everything not okay, my dear. Everything is not okay. What do you want to talk for Monica? But Monica said me judge work where and nakedness when I am muladia who wear a YouTube channel no parabolic a YouTube channel. Anything you like you way. Swear a love us in a Monica me. Oh wait where a nakedness when no market cannot tell YouTube channel. Gawe ya mo nakedness ya mo efua o se na velele mana beg nakedness ni because when women am nakedness we the social media for 2 years efo ya wa post yan gbe iya na je be happy we ne u je be gbiyan yese ne no kwa da degbo ewe ne mi no kwa na degbo ewe wa ya fe we wa ya fe ko ya snuje nu wa ya se gbe lo lekia unu no ben ya vesi sane gwa leve gwa le ekiere gwa muode ekiere you guys don't una not a big cook wale na tie na ya leve oni gwa ikiave re because the no ve ya le ne salo boa oh dia desine ne oh gia kun ya fejo or if you guys want to cook it very good you guys can come this way come and cook it this way you see my life miserable what are you guys teaching nothing you guys are teaching. Where? Oh, we Monica. Area UK, where I say UK, husband, you know, living together, and husband and wife and children, not the same. Yes, not the same. Lolekia, is it not living together you guys are doing? You guys are doing living together. Why the gang you know lele wenya? No what the guaro living together what do? Why do we live it together? Why you go agreement no wa me better home with his children and husband? Do you want to use yourself and compare? God forbid. I reject you now. I me and no what? I will no we are make us smell set of useless of family. Make us smell like be omutia. Ye pity we your fiankwa. A princess of Avialele. Are you mad? Are you stupid? That's why move one. Any was here. And this is a leak me. This is a no me. I know we are peku smell a set of people. You guys know the shame. Una not get shame. Una not just damn in this una life. When or Spain or sister. When or Spain. Wait say where me way. Wa gevegenani I may where me way because a gagi no do alele here. A gagi no moon bigono. A gang in ya family way ya where a rubbish vegani. Ina do an regime ya fair no na we gang in we are yelele. Alagale because when he measure mele lawas here. I no me ni ado the way for me not they follow them. One no give social media na me ni ado the social media. I don't fucking follow them. If you not fear me, message to my destiny, I swear. I go carry all of una together, jamuna. I go jamuna together. You guys know what I can do. But I decide no where since so where the trouble come, Avialele will get where. If the trouble come, Avialele will get where. Me, I push him, me, they okay. They don't push me. Hey, you want come on? Hey, this, hey. ava fiokodi ave dudu wa nene gangina iya mana we kiere ni iya vie se e gangini wa gwale kia ni ya we ya hin weni ya gumegun because oni no mu ekonoro ni we me wa mudia he me onu ka bie nu na bio me daki we we stay kebu ya lo we gbe sister. That is why you need to born Oyibo pikin. If na daki give you belle, you go and change that pikin to be a Oyibo pikin. Without that, ya lo we. Abielele, ofani yani kese we ya lo we. Mota, we me mwe kokobiri. Ki me kuwa mano we kokobiri wata. Uwa iwa tota wa o negbu wa hianta. Without that, ya lo wagbe. Gawa zuo. Yay! When moti ni won si en no ma ye fo. Oh my God. Salopua. Na wahiage. Ivierio, wajei. Winyo ivierio. Umwebo mugevrio family una gera irio. Use ma vete gbo wo henrio guwe Nigeria. Use ma gbe ohonerio mare. Egberio use ma tegbiyan. Beti juwe uso gbijwa. Useti juega beg your wu. Oh, if I shade the tea juega shade. Now that way shady. This is tomatoes. Idra is shady. Oh, shady. Idra mana shady neriye vae. Idra mana shady neriye vae. We na ta wiji me here we kiosa. Idra na here we kio ba. Vere kio vere wane igbu wase. Fina no se. Una no go eat. Is that life? Miserable, my people. That is the miserable life. Yeah. I can never be in this Europe. My mother will be selling something in a kiosk that I bag, God forbid. That is rubbish. Not this successfully. No, he did not say the business successfully. He was working. He doesn't me or money have to go to them. Idwe wa of your business ere. Idokume te viete wota. Venu we wa veje we bona. Venu zua le we bona. Idwe zua vidwe ragmo. Idwe egu any day. Tomato si wose. Idokume de. Venu idwe dese. Venu here se. Oye dwe ya bie kwa imi. To ye wu vi winu kpo we wani because oma no hear me never kiosa kioba. In winu kpo ye wu. Asha wo dwe hin. Ugba agbon emi o du gbiju di na imi. Emi o du gbiju di na imi. Oh, where? Come and follow me to buy. Oh, you have to come. Don't follow that person to buy. I have the good, what do they call them? Tomatoes. The tomatoes is very ripe. I have ripe tomatoes. I have these tomatoes. My dear, which tomatoes? A tomatoes is kewu. When you are not here, tomatoes ya bowadea. When you are not here, tomatoes ya pege as rent there. Me meko. Me mate via me mate tamu wewe. A red mega jejemekewu. Never. When you are not here, tomatoes ona ya bowa. Ya bewa watia. Ya be lakbaja. Oma ya bo. Iju etosu sewu. Iju esu sewu. Evanu we yeve tawo we masere we bonania. They still better pass you. This one now, if government don't give you that 140 euro, you don't fucking feed. You don't feed. You understand? You know they fucking feed. You say you said they carry 3,000 euro for work. Nara me uwe security. Uwe security. If uwe security, I have 3,000 euro ni niya. Tiya yeve government. Inya kongwe. Iya yeve 200 euro in. Ari 150. What is your brother? My brother is a security man, okay? I call my brother. He testified to you. Because I told the truth. Me not they talk loud. You hear me? You understand? I have a destiny, I 200, you wait 3,000. Every bania, it's start with me 3,000 euro. Right now, we love the 1,700 euro penny. You were more. Who will push a Carello? Are you a Carello pusher? Or make an more of a boonsaki 1,700 euro no way. Or make an more boonse, not goddamn fools. Have money or what? They can be washing you, but they don't know. Iyareri amwere gboto. Ave kola siweni. Ti amwere gboto reri ngmine. E kola siweni agboma maya maite agboma maya. They are so fucking useless. That they just let that they work less for life. Your colors, you know, now when something they spoil, they cannot be there to repair your destiny. They not say your destiny already scatter. They not go there repair your destiny. They go only be there, be scattering you more. They go there, they distract you more because your life have already distracted. Because you cannot help yourself. Your life don't get distracted. What beg your life for what? All they miserable. What baby mena? He mess up, bro. Inya koko me sera me bijeme. Era me bijeme. De settle down wako ki me say. Iwa wo wa. Mo hia do ale le gagi le gbe ma ho hia. Me, I do ale lu wa hia. Iwa go me wa kwiku wa bu me ade. Okbawo nekere noro ya giere we yata me no open la video no wona yata me no iko yes sister yata me sister na sister call yata me ya open la video ya wa bielele sorry anytime my sister na yata me ya open la video ni yata ma bielele sorry. Oh, sister, hey, come on. Oh, what the reason why not they share your video again? The verse. They say if I share your video, it's like I'm joining you. My dear sister, what did I tell you? I said stop to share my video because you don't bring any viewers to me. You they bring problems to me. You are not bringing viewers to me. Only me when I can share my video. I share my video. I have the good view where I want to see for life. Now Instagram, now what is that they call now Imo. Now where I get the fucking viewers for this earth. After they watch this video, I want me to reach 10,000. I go begin to share and to my Imo friends, everybody. They go see me for life. That is why I told you, my dear sister, stop to share me. Because now devil sharing be that one. Devil sharing, which is sharing. Which is sharing. That is what you guys are sharing. God damn. Ave money o wa. Why the total wa o nebu wa we can wa kuriye na ehia my dear sister listen ma we e video ebe pino hiare no e gani ya amwe family we both of Nigeria e video ma kam e pino ri enu all de ban aro vie we but now when I do me make na me na gbo we ke no vein na ka we o dojere o da me wo diri kan o ma minu ya temi no we because o minu ya temi no we mo avielele I may rock by ume. Wow, back. Una ume half. I do you thousands of it. Nobody go tell me Savielele don't reach. Nobody. Megi nera na imeje. A senior brother no by mene. Agba make by Nigeria they are dear webo. He me man agree for one day I will be sick. Just like I said the 6th is then because I don't see anybody want fall the quarrel. If you watch me now, Megi shaky. I know that is not I defico right now. I'm feeling it. This is what I want. Look at all those bear side from family, from useless set of Mugu family. Is that for real? For seriously? You guys will know your sit down. Men are resume my life, sir. The road where I can't they work out they go so get it there because of very like a la lady who wani be. It your very ya la yani cake be. Ovena la lady egbe. All la yani egbe. Yes. Wase Monica no enjoy egbe. Leave Monica alone. Let it be enjoying herself. Seriously. When I did that video, say Monica, thank you for forgiving me because you not wrong me. Now maybe the person will wrong you. You saw all of them where they follow me that time where they can't leave me now. All of them. You know lie where they can't give me. Many of them, if I write my topic, they'll tell me say the topic no even go where. Now then go bring the yeah topic, can't give me. May I put for the video where they make for Monica that time. But everything don't scatter and I begin to say, I'm not doing well, oh. Why did I go and beg Monica, oh? I even lead down. Isha, wa. Akoko mewa. Inya koko me ravijeme. A family me, icheme no kwa. Esa de ranwa. Esa DJ agwa koki me because of more walk back him. Or more walk back out of 4 boys only one girl. Who when ya koki me one was wa. E me mo rubo wa. Who was wa. Because if we barrier in now warrior and yatu. Yeah, yeah, you very senior brother in Nigeria. Yata me where your twin, one now. A senior brother already above them because of him in yatu. Or Monaco will whack him. No need to call me say my sister, with my daughter, see what they say you do know. or making on a very or your boy or ve or any at you and me at you. Eruwaja. Ele life what they miserable, life what they workless. I'm so fucking happy, say, una not they call me again. I remember that time where they walk the walk where coronavirus carry. Now so una destiny, una carry una destiny join corona, una can't use and spoil my work. Yari win na gasi on a TV, on a TV, then eke no turn or all TV, yeah, oh, waru be wo. Atiti, run for your head, that is wise. Atiti wise, give that wiseness to your children where they with you. Atiti, you know when they follow you, they waka. You know say, usu wa ogiono narena. Uwe amena tik bo wani na ona gbe. Ado gyo ma vere no do gbo. E manu wa ve gire na according to the story because even again me na da we atiti. Uye vi ata uwe Monica okwo bo kan we fuwa. E Monica okwo bo kan we fuwa but making the truth of the matter. E take we mu. The real truth of the matter. When we are condone, no work away. When no work away, ya senenegbo. When no ya left why. I know everything, Atiti. I know everything, Atiti. Betuna yele de babe grangi. Avu we sister no wali eke yo. Aviya ni li eke yo. Na de bayan ye degbe awe rubbish na. Emi teme we no Atiti. Emi teme we. That is why you will be mad for it. So you need to wise. Even if they won't give you to me, you do all of them. My dear, you know what you tell me now. All of them way they follow the wakana. Uka Georgian mene. Uka tami mene. Eke soriya. Many ya there. You know. Anything where you tell me thousands of years ago, it will be my brain. When me manager school ni, me tiki pebe you was ereri me. E problem ni ogeni. E dese no weta yi merere ni. E ya keep because me manager school. Mene even university, imagine university. Imwe ebe yereri me. Oge no time me long time bigidini. Orere me. Ya faefua agbamaya. Adameka agbawe. Agbamaya. Wafnya wagmada abafiakodi. Abe do. Abafiakodi. Why total God forbid. If me, I can't do life. I know the reason my life. God forbid. I get talking that I say. I wish I see the follow now the worker. This is my page. You know go grow. Grow. One yo poo. One yo I was no matter total why total. You cannot sit down and see yourself, oh God. Oh God, what is this? What am I going through? Now, person when I enter Europe, any measure me maleli biala wa. Maleli biala me what do you care for yourself lights? What do you care for like Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola one from Nigeria flights, from Nigeria airports to Europe airports. Are you mad? Me we adoji me ya you when only biala wa we sware work with ba. Uwe me Erere we mak bereru wa ya for me. Wa ge gange no ke condon no wo. Ikbe aniro. Wa ke condon no wo kun wa ni ya gbasawo. Iwo ni ro. Oda fere yan ode agan bunse wuwe agan ni ma bi obunse ni aya mu ekere yan mujuga. This is my real boyfriend. We die together. Now another best boyfriend. We die together. Why women now? Why? Because uname. I'm a bogbo. Unawon kagbe ebo. Avele le waranu ya na wa no megwe. Ya itane. Odo gwe. Ina tafune. Odo gwe because no waje no etwin. Have it best side. Have money warrior luwa. Have bear. No, what's up for public? If you, Ibe, Oko Nijaki, it will walk him, it will get fiawu, it will mobile with total way. Another bamessa won't salopwa lao, salopwa, Miss Go. It will mobile with total no bamessa won't, it will marry a chicken a fry, a chicken, a turkey, it will my, and your back and it way, Ogbera, dogumet de me. Ohoni oge madogu mede no yari oge rewa. Ijue o yari oge rewa. Owe agwede tomatoes oge madogu mede. O se ni jwana rere fianwu. O se re mianwu du na gbiju ni jwana fianwu wo de gbe adi agbon wari ave family no hien ki ekisela idiot family. Idiot set of family. Wagbel. Wagwa. Watai. Kuweke kola we. Vinya a kola we. Ave kola we ni. Then we play video we. Kuweke ave kola we ni. Eh? As in, I don't understand. Join your colors. There's nothing, you guys. Nothing. When I say nothing, nothing. Yes. If you rock baron wahian tabu webu, eh? Because a color we ni or a problem no. Those your colors, they are the problem you are facing. Those your colors, now then be the big problem where you face. Those your juiceless colors. Why I say it? Those your colors, they cannot help you. They can only be there frustrating your destiny. Because you yourself, you know what I know. You know. Because you they look for fruit of your womb. My dear, your colors cannot give you fruit of your womb. They can scatter that womb. They go they scatter around. Upon scatterable. They go they read the scatter and not arrange the destiny of the womb. Do you know what I said? Because when we're watching and we need the help, you need someone that will help you. Someone that will show you a good road. Not someone that will show you a bad road. Just look at your life now. You know, when you wake me from my sleep that time, you say, if you're not scared, go and open page. Open page. I can open the destiny of the page. You will not gather one. I name your destiny page. You know, the way we kill it. What my yet in the because Ija, who are not Neona, era no why you know what talk bugwa. Oh, you want move because what's in the yo, why the page? Our shawo, I be get me your face here. I be best side. I know all of now. I know now. I walk on wire ferry. Idumwa. Isha. Idu wa kan here o kan via ovia ge here ya mwe ovio do na ya dum me bo na ya dum me bo amugu me ni adum me we government na ya dum me bo ye dasinu wa mo ovio bo hin a try mege gavi idiot na gavi besa di negbe ma ho na Avi iya no je kinya kine kuwa hwe ni kuoniro wa afio poju weri lalo whatever life ifune a life imefo the life I just started it just starts yeah see how you might be your be a year to a year and you know they okay a year to a year there's nothing you know they do okay you they workless well you see the God forbid I remember when you called me Ovio han here 28 years. A blood in a you. Isha. Esa give why you. Where they have yellow princess. Baby. Princess. Where they have yellow walk boy. Where they have yellow blood in a you. Where? They bloody way. A bloody way. They workless. When we watching no may ye be. Ina do de kun ti me no wi yen we afia o re fua o tele ni e wari e ri fia o ifia o ri e re fua because awa o wo wa severi ana ewo mo agna no ma bie you guys will just sit down una see the wash is ijo wara don yo ijo ije if you agbon why total wow in the bouvoir? Wow, you guys will no reason. Listen, me I tell now. You see all those your callers, now then be your problem. Now then be the stress where you dey face. Now then no one tell you the real truth of your problem because you see this problem where they follow you can see they follow you a year to a year because I go still remember you where the time will reach where you take come and say, Monica, forgive you, If I am where give my give of ya don't allow it with the doctor. Of the if give of the selling we are the Monica, forgive you what they can forgive you. Ave meet me hui. Ave best side. Ave ya no ye kinya kine kuwa hwe. Get a life what de miserable. On one wa e Monica when you wo kan wefu. Wo woto bo we kan wefu. We ku gbele Monica na. Wa solo viero we vere ya se UK size wa magi enwa menori ku yo to. Ne miane UK anato gbo wa agbon. Wa magi enwa menori ku yo to mami ara va shawo ni wa vun ejemi. Ava shawo we no Nigeria na. E dey fuck do now they do one. He have no responsible boyfriend. Even that mugu boy, that mugu black boy, where is the black boy? I look for the destiny of the black boy. Even that mugu idiot black boy, he have nothing to offer. That mugu black boy have nothing. I mean nothing to offer. He have nothing. God forbid. Gay, atiti, my baby we was here, Again, whatever ya go say, no na go better word in our lads no way. Whatever go say, whatever clear, no ya de bayane, spanging a problem. Where did they make clear? We what de yama. Who what de workless, what it? Where? Other viewers who want you tama we atiti erukaje. Here work boa overnight. Atiti use your head though. Use your head though. Avialele night talk and the only girl will give you respect. Now me make them give you that small respect where they give you that time for social media. So they talk and they believe them. But ever since what they back you because now back here one man I back that is where you shit for toilets. You don't need to look that toilet again. Flush the destiny of the toilet. I flush will not throw away from my life because you guys are fucking miserable. You guys not they workless. Or why they set ye wa kun waya fe kugbe. Or wa kukugbe ya kun wa kugbe iluwa. I shop una like like bone. You know, so bone with the way you put for mats. Who we mana show me for where are they bone way? I will best you dinner. Or damn what did you get? Or damn ko salo bois. Oh, if you bon, what I want to tell now? For no mad now. He said, my dear, how you take give Monica respect? How you take make people the whole world respect Monica? How? Because according to your story, me, I dey see people video where they say they go responsible people, they go sit down, begin they answer some matters. I go even they say, I know this matter, those people they know are your around. Not talk of you. When they them west you know, when they topic you know, when when zua. When it to tanu and they go where I given nana ya here present now. Quite de okay. You just come and be presenting anyhow. Just the way your life they workless. Just the way your food generation they useless. Then you can't present. Now person saying you. Who ke do ta we mia wo do ogbo egbe family we the social media o mate wa we o vela we gbe because o wa no give mu egbo gere do mu egbo to the social media and the repercussion of it you bear it, you take it, you arrange am to your taste. Collect smelly pe kusu we no gbia collect san aweke anu gmi wa collect wa fian wa gbon wa titan wa we legbu wa. They will not just sit and reason their destiny. Imagine, you did this video today. Then you go forget what you talk for all those videos. Tomorrow now, you can't say na thousands of error now you they receive for your work. Salo boy. Eri boja wate mata so that emia wu do degbu wa pokpa. Say truth. Wa wate mata so that emia wu do ne degbu wa. Emiame no gba me den we come because of degbu ona degbu avialele aloe ya ilowe ni aloe ni cause me yere wana why we me yere wa me ekpa no transfer no deportation no transfer because me document I deport me deportation document a document major Jama citizen alias police wife. If you try me, my white man deports your destiny. He go to deport you a problem. Only 1 month salary. He go take your destiny to Nigeria. I go do and sit down. Open live video for you. After we don't reach Nigeria, I tell you say come. Tell you want try me. Gavi best side. Okay, try me again. Only was walla just no ama. Uzuola again. Kokopiru muyo wa kokopiri ate mu me yugu moto ni agbashawo. Kokopiri no take me to inside moto say kokopiri me kinwinare. Oh, even ya mio, ave rievi, are restaurant sa ya rievi a dolovi e juga. E koko bire ma mume ju wi moto de. Oh, mume ju wi moto mume are kene na ya gbasha wo me koko bire never do that to me.
Hello, the rice is set.
Yeah. That question. Me koko bire never did that to me. But wa ge life wana. Wane koko bire, wane mwe koko bire jowa. Ovela wa gbene. Esisa we no wanoro bie me wati unwana bie wati avielele alo egbe ege ni we agwa legbi me osisi nu wa lokere ave bobi nu wa de na wo jiwe Nigeria yin wane igwa egangiyan wa giyana egagi ni wa gbina negbiya iya wa no de bobi avio ni yan we Nigeria she una dey complain who dey buy gun go dey give them who dey buy bullets they give them all of them I know all of them okpa wu wa ya fe o mi ekwe mame when wa ya ready gangin wa ya de bon begin ya wo te Nigeria I know now iyan wa gun me gun cause ina gun de no ni we tama mi we tama we my sister ekinu wa dona ma okpa we we ti me o is na sisi o orala awo ya gbina we Nigeria my dear me gbina ye wa te ni ata na we mwegbe gbegbe me ari owa adu we apaye floor adu apaye area ni re umwegbe agwalegbe me ari ogwa agwale senior brother me gwalegbe me ekeni ase kini ara me yan bun egbera me gbije me ahia nu mo sisi ahia ado sisi ni adon ekeni aje adodon ado sisi adon ekeni aje umu ahia bu ahia avec benidio sisi ni ya wa dele bombi ni ave Nigeria Avi idiot bon fous. Avec way. You have nothing to offer. You have nothing to say. Understand it? When we rock man WhatsApp because wa doge na ame Monica ne. If ave ya no ye oni no ye kia kine kwa when you're a first person no ka ki social media president. You're a first person no ka ki social media. Me ye de. Iga ritali ma wani ya tie ye. Even no when your sister no ama imene we dem ma do we ga we social media president e does not deny me na do wa we social media do wa we does not deny na enwa but now what ye Monica ni e ritali me ka gi di Deutschland we ga enwe Monica e me ka gi di Deutschland don't just come out from nowhere say na you make them they respect Monica for social media how you take make them they respect her ow be o wa mere regbo to ereru wa to gmi ereru wa ma de okay to gmi e wa call leave Monica alone yes wa ge one marry opo yo to he and Bruce let them enjoy themselves yes they are not a happy marriage yage lolekiana Elolekia, all workers say UK. What's your name peace of mind with your husband? Why you cannot create only 1 minute chance with that your bomugu husband? That Igbo man where you carry put for us because I carry that Igbo man put for us. That man will leave you where the time reach because the family of Igbo, their papa, their mama, they don't they tolerate rubbish. If some people they tolerate, Igbo people know they tolerate. Understand it? They go soon leave you. Because that man you think is your husband, he have another person. Italy for Nigeria, for Africa. You hear me? Why you not get 1 minute peace with that your bomugu husband? You think, it's my husband. You don't even have peace with her. You can't even enter kitchen and cook this your destiny of bolo where you slice. Where the destiny they big. The destiny of your bolo they big. You for the cooker. The whole world goes to see where you are cooking the ogbolo. Where your children is chopping the ogbolo. All computer builds where they carry give una for UK. You know they wise. You know they wise. Percy, I want to what this sub in Anna. I want to wear a fair disturb. Hey, money cannot go enter UK. You know go enter UK, Isha. I climb best step where? All computer building in your moon when no that for when you walk climb best step here. Why my begging life why you guys are not living good? You guys they live miserable world. Miserable life, God forbid. God forbid. Not to get husband. Only I worry. Kishan beg, please leave me alone for Kishi. Leave me alone. If we move our ganoma beer. Agano ma biere de be. Mano wodo ma gwa. Why ya fail? All of una dey sick. Don't cut my video. If you cut my video, I come back again. Everything will dey spoil. Everything will dey workless. I go workless with my life owner. Now me talking. Look at all those bedside family. All those bear. Our ganoma beer. Aganeti tutan wao enegbuwa. No, you could have just sit down, reason your life, reason the life you are living. I remember that time I say, Monica, egwa live, oti na to yeve ma wa na live kishi. Ya yeve ne kishi mose. Sister we no ka say UK. Elole kia, eke kishi we ni here that grant kishi. Or that grant kishi. O so go me wa misko. Kishi me na me level so we no stay here UK. Kishi me me level so we wa kishi. There's nothing inside the kitchen, just ordinary head of kitchen. Head of kitchen, you can bought it here 50 euro. It's normal. Yeah. If you see us now, like, don't worry. Sure, don't go fill paper that they say I need the apartment. No worry. If they give me, I'll show now the way they take the black kitchen head. Because Siverio and the gang, all of them, when you are Germany, when you are YouTube channel, when you are a page, I go disgrace all of the life. Because everything is fucking cheap here. Everything. Yes, Facebook markets, they sell everything. If you cannot buy there, government, once they don't give you the house, they go tell you, say, go to some place like this. Go and pick any of your choice kitchen. Go and pick it. Go to some place like this. Go and pick bed. Go to some place like this. Pick chair. Everything are picky for Deutschland. They are not buying it. So those bomugus for oh wa mume. Oh wa dele mume. Why to tan wa we negbuwa? Never. Why to tan wa we negbuwa tam wa very me love Monica ne wa se Monica leave Monica alone. Yourself no la wagbe. Iverio Monica gbijua. Iju ne emiame ki wagbe wa wote Nigeria ni. Monica azove no gbijua. Monica malerwe rubu ni jue. You understand? But iju na yeve fian wo bi winu po. I winu po. O wan ori hie wi ne wi winu po. O hie wi winu po. O washawo wi winu po pa ya fehin. I winu po iju wuji. I winu po iju wuji. Iju to wuji winu po because amana mudia ahie wi. Amana ve mudia gbashawo okpa wa ya fehin. Ntare. Oh, no, oh, where I was rushing to pick my mother to hospital. My mother just died on my hand. Seriously? Each one of the your boy. Seriously? I have a family winukbo. I have idiot bonfools. Start to the come and not they do say you be one. Do you understand? Stop. I'm here for 5 years now. I know the law of this Germany. Even if you dey live for Lagbaja, a law, if any law they come Germany, na money care for the start. Once they don't write the paper, they don't sign and they don't put padlock, pie! Before you go, they spread to where una dey. Una dey for village, where they say village. 10 hours journey. It's fucking village, man. Village! Wagbe wagmo. Avi be. Avi money ni o wa. You guys know your sit down and resume your life. No. Because when I feel so now your sit down resume your life go day workless, it go day miserable. My dear, use your head. Use your head. Stop to the disturb Monica. Polo. I love that woman just the way her. I love you, mama. I love you, love your husband. I love your children. Take them. They enjoy. Try your share. Make them they die. Make the people, make them they die. Those witches where they surround you, may they die, may they open ground, may they bury themselves. But before they bury themselves, may they go bury ground because Deutschland, they carry the burial. They go carry, put you for wall like this, they'll carry you stand, not sleeping because you need to bury ground, put for ground, idiot. Idiot set of family. Ave sister need me. Our fioko this sister. Avec me sister. Wa beg many ha. Ni a bibi life worry. Wa beg ni me share na. Eki ya ite we video where na me give her mind. Na me give her mind. Na me advice her, na me give her a topic. We put for a video, na me do this, ija. Ene igbe. Ina kwen destiny me kwen life me. Ina left you why, ina do me we or seti. Na do mi aviele lote we mo ya luwaya. Ya kunware. Ona kariye va wokman pa. O meme hin. Ina kunware. Ya luwaya fe kunwa. Egeni waya ken wavie. Gavi beside. Wa mi yana. We may want to I do this so I do this. We met them we met my sister. Why would we wrong with the Monica? Go I beg you. Not say because I can't come out for my own now. You say now you advise me. According to that useless blogger that take the video in that YouTube channel. Okay, today they know where or they advise you advise yate buwa de vegani wa we reason and me leave now because we might not get topic. Me akoki mene wa we na yakoko mere have toys. It have ye wezi yomonu. E dede okoko menwa. E side de rave side DJ akoki mene. Me bien yake kpari emi na wa. Akoki mene me bien amwe ejene mwe sakpa godine. Yake kpari emi na wa. What do you mean, guys? What do you mean? What mini? Life what day workless. What say Monica? What get enjoy egbe yon see rubbish in waje. Yon see rubbish in waje the social media. You guys not be Monica cause una problem. No, it's not Monica that caused it. Look for your destiny. Look for somebody that will cure your sickness for you. Men I leave Monica, may suffering enjoy. Shine your shine, Monica. Shine your shine. May you shine your children, shine your husband, shine. Men are they shine and shine. See all those people who want spoil and shine. Holy Ghost fire. Coronavirus fire. Destiny taker. It go long door for their ass. It go long door for their ass. They go carry am. Any ad they take am. They go carry am. If that one away call itself smelly pekuseke Rio family. Who want me? I don't wear any video na we blabber we video na. I fuck you asona. Cause he man have fuck he a dey okay. He man have do. Oh well, you use my house for nothing. Use my house for nothing. You don't want to give me bekus, my dear. My dear Ashawo, they have told me everything about you. Then I have any I me where the train station. You even go me. When I am me where the train station. When we are the workless here. When a life we are the miserable. The way you used to talk for public, they run for you. Because they say now for evil live video, for the select words. They say if you did for public, we are going to say, is a salo boy, we are one hina. Oh, you guys are don't live in this earth again. Una better die. Die! Come on for this earth. Mwavielele worldwide. If I follow you do friend before, you know wise, I will saga you. Now me. I remember that girl, destiny taker. You cannot take my destiny. I will be here. I'll take your mama, take your papa, take your full generation destiny. I go there here. And you do no more than dead rats. Now me. Atasi awashawo. Why I gwale kin warena. Sister, sister, you know, say na you are the thought to sister. Sister, why I give respect. Since the year 2020 to 2021, I give you a little respect. Use your head. Respect your egbe. Respect your family. Respect your family. Before I left you, I still tell you, say, my dear sister, respect your family. Respect your family. You see that disgrace they give to you and your family, that native bigidi. No let the brigand again. If the brigand come out, avialele compound. There's nothing you guys can do, oh. You cannot do nothing. When imagine when we know I women. Where take women in me vie more one vie. Yeah, uvie. We have a ticket, we have a document. Drive to Germany. I live for this Willy Brown for Munich. A Munich Central Station, 25 minutes. Drive to my house, yeah, when the government carry, government, yeah, me agba mene. When agba me wote Nigeria, agba me wote Germany. Or no go area, no transfer, no go area. Me, when you rewana, or no transfer, no go area. See una life, miserable, workless family, workless set of people. Workless set of people. Atiti agba oregbo. Atiti obegeven wegije nania. All the name of Ivieri Yodo they share my video. Ivieri Yodo they share my video. Ivieri Yodo they share my Atiti babege left away Nigeria nana. E left you they workless atiti. Atiti agba oregbo atiti. Atiti gba oregbo because ekeni ave what wa mwenenemi amwenyi vekeni meje. Imwe destiny wenyi. I will climb for your destiny. That is me. Abialele, you know me. Even the very first day you called me to be my friend, Atiti, the very good day I called you as a father. I thought that you are a real man. I don't know, say you be bomugu man. Man will be say they fit change your destiny. That they change your destiny anyhow. Why women go they change man destiny? My dear man, if you are a real man, where your papa, your mama reborn, you be real man. Now, you're supposed to they talk better words for where some women did. Not women go they change your destiny. Women go they tell you, say, do this, not do this, attitude. Iya mamu etuti enuwea. Amu ayati enu attitude. O say, mena le. I me leg berawa because sama mamu eti emeteme. Ina le. La dwaka me ba we. O say naka wata we no. I know I've got father again. Shall be kane go father. Kane go father. Violele have kane go father. First time there. Say na me be my godfather, godmother, only me alone. I passed a lot of people, one mark squad. No try me. Do you understand? Atiti, you see your life? You see your life. I've been at the rest people I want to talk about. Even this one now, why even they beg me, no bring the family come out again. Atiti, you know what you told me against this lady. I be right now, now I call they share on herself. They share herself. They share herself. I see my life. Miserable social media friends. Please, me I know you boss me. I don't want me go with any of una. I don't want me go with any of una. Wa move on one side. Move on one side. Me na just the fuck they go. What do they go? Avelele not they do. Uwe go me ye kon pa. Me do me rock man ya gbe me. Wa me no ya gbe me mwe ladia avec gba mene. Una me no ya gbe me mwe ladia. Agba mene ya so boviro we. Ina so boviro we. Egbe ave wo we. Oh, wow, avec Beno Zoo, avec Beno Riegwe no one vive, oh, everybody no one vive, oh, avec Beno Zoo, et when you walk one me, you guys are sick, yes, you guys have sickness that they call me peripe, you guys have sickness that they call peripe sickness, me, it a good what day. Iverio, well, me, I back bene. Let's start in the way out here. You have a getting necessary to tell my way. Iverio, one woman will get up and tell me. Get up and tell me sorry. You don't tell me sorry. You don't fucking tell me sorry. Is that right? Make it for me. You may me as all, you may me been assistant. That is why I'm sick. Right now, me no sick again. Imi alu wewe na isha yalo wegbe vierio. My people I live na me na fe go ito. Me they recome back for a vierio destiny. Because me or even me ya we sagane. E peji must to gba gbafu. Igora to lads yan what we ya ki e peji. Let's face each other. Say Monica o teme no e blood vegi no man avialele giri ene. Usia what Monica when you say problem waje. Eyon se problem waje. We overe ya so what does season wage waro what do isha. Let it stay for us ba isha. Adi to degbe bi ove ni man no degbe bi ove ni mero waje waria relationship evawa. Who waria husband and wife wa ma bege lo leki aga relationship. E live it together lo leki awe lo leki marriage. E live it together e lo leki awe me Live it together, living at. Live it together. You stupid. Are you mad? Don't worry. I'm coming later to come and tell you guys between the between living together and living at. Living together and living at are real marital. I can't tell now the real meaning today. You know, go past today, we go know the real meaning. Just look at the best set of family. All the be afioko this set of family. You guys they sick. Now the message where I can give you, if you me they come personally for you because if you eke ogbijwe you eke wu iwinu po ogbijwe we winu po we boijwe we winu po iwinu po ogbijwe uma oni go nu collect we get me the saga we 3,000 euro yan pay no na we security ave security ni gwaro toto we mam e worry ya amone ne foge na ya we how much una dey him a month because my brother that is in money for security that is security is no longer here. My brother have transferred to another place here. No security, they used to transfer them. My brother, sometimes 3,000 egbafo. Are you 200 in wo? Are you 150 in wo? Egba. 150 ala you 3,000 egba. $200 you 3,000 egba. Egba nya. Yes. Are ya pe yin we you pium. Ama we no make ikenu he said na 3,000 euro in the hin. I know when winner no winner. How many hours are you doing? Even security now, if you go as in a 12 hours, 12 hours they give you that 3,000 euro. They because of government of Germany, they will come they remove to 200. Then they remove 150. 12 hours can give you that thousands of money, that 3,000 euro, with that 2,000 something you are looking for. But my dear, you don't know how many hours that can give you that kind of money. That is choice. You understand? You say now 1,700 now they pay you now. We are telling me how many hours sorry 1,700 in hour. How many hours no here 1,700 what time me vie you. Umana tama me idegbebu wedi. Oni me avielele egbe awo we owe mani lega we. Ave husband snatcher egbe awo wa. Ave sister ni gbelebo ni me destiny ebo wase bo ajesuku. Wana a destiny wa via yesuku wana vie bo back and yesuku pa. Ereru wa ogbin a living heart. All the living heart for women. Fiki women ya wa fuck anyhow. They turn on brim anyhow. That is not life, oh. That will not be life. Now miserable life now and they live. I will be here, fully here, ready. I go ready well. Me na no worry. It's all right, my viewers. I they come back now. I know they tell, okay. I love you now.